Hey, what's up guys? So I just toured the Coronado floor plan by Richmond American here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Beautiful 2-story floor plan. You're gonna wanna watch this video. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you plan on moving to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Stonehaven by Richmond American Homes. Now today we're here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. We're tucked all the way in the southwest corner. I know a couple months ago I did a video on Arborbrook, which is pretty much in the same area, but the Stonehaven is going to have larger floor plans. As far as location goes, we're about 20 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Now I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 4 different floor plans here, all 2-story floor plans ranging from about 2510 square feet all the way up to 3270 square feet. Okay. Now with Richmond American guys, there's going to be spec homes, so they are not doing building from dirt up. Now with spec homes, they're quick moving homes. They picked out all the options, okay? So base prices don't really matter too much, but what I can say is out the door prices are going to range from about the high 600s to like the low 800s, okay? So if you're interested in a specific plan, guys, just let me know and I will, I'll see what's available and I'll let you know what the price ranges are. A couple of things about the community. The HOA is about $73 a month and the average lot square feet is gonna be about 5,000, okay? And that's it for now, so let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Coronado floor plan. Now the Coronado floor plan is going to be about 26 to 2,800 square feet, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 baths, 2-car garage. And the out the door price for this model looks like they have like 2 spec homes, and they're gonna range, I would say out the door, you're looking at the high 600s, okay? So the ones they have here available is about 692 and 696. Yeah, let's take a look. And I know this kind of looks strange right now because this is the model house. So, obviously they want to put this paver path right here. But yeah, you would have pavers, okay? Desert landscaping would all be included. Okay, so you got nice 8-foot door. You're going to have both 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. So welcome in. So as soon as you walk in, you can immediately see the high ceiling. So it does have like a beautiful entryway. So you see the stairs right here. You got the living room, okay, dining room. So you got your kitchen area over there. Now you're gonna have a bedroom down here, full bath. Again, with the spec homes, these quick move-in homes, you're gonna, normally like having a bedroom here would be an upgrade, but most likely the builders are going to do that upgrade just because bedrooms on the first floor are very, very popular. Easier to sell a house with a bedroom downstairs as opposed to not having one. Okay, so this room is about, I want to say it's about like a 11 by 12. Now, one thing I know in regards to like the bedrooms for the quick moving homes, they're just gonna have the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Most likely they won't have like these 4 lights, but they'll let you put like, so that way you could have a fan and a fan light. Okay, so right over here you have your 3/4 bath. Okay, so you got your sink, your toilet, your walk-in shower. Okay, got the stairs to the second floor. You have your landing right over here. The landing is actually really important to a lot of buyers as well. Okay, so you got some storage space. Let's see how deep this goes. Okay, so it ends to about right there. So this would be like your coat closet, your storage space. This is what you can see right over here. Okay, so I love that. You see the very high ceilings. So welcome to the kitchen, living room, dining room area. Now, this is an upgrade. So originally, like the Coronado floor plan is about 2,600 square feet, but the quick move-ins are going to be about 2,720 square feet because they do add, as you can see, this dining room right over there, that's a structural upgrade. So normally how that would be is this wall would come up to right about here. This island would actually be flipped. So it'd be facing like this way, and you have like your, you'd have your dining room table over here. But I think most of the quick move-ins, they're going to implement that. Okay, so it's going to look just as you see right here. Okay, it's very spacious living room area. Okay, for entertaining. Nice. Okay, so you got plenty of cabinets. It's a really wide kitchen area, actually. There's a lot of space between like space in between your cabinets and the island. And looks like these cabinets are just spaced out too. So now for the appliances, I know if you watched the last video, I said I wasn't too sure if the refrigerator, washer, and dryer will be included with the quick move-in homes, but I just asked, and yes, if you buy a quick move-in home, the refrigerator, washer, and dryer will be included. But it's not that it's free, it's just that it's added to the price of the quick move-in price, okay? So essentially, like, you are paying for that. And then right over here, you're gonna have your pantry area. Okay. So nice size pantry. Okay, I got some room, got some space up top, some space at the bottom. Okay, you're gonna have your coat closet right here. Door to your garage. Some extra storage space right here. Okay, you got some cabinets. Nice window right there. Allow for some natural light to come in. Okay. So the door to the garage is locked. I know sometimes some of you will ask, why don't I ever show the garage? It's just because it's always locked. Normally they use it as storage or for the construction workers. Okay. Now the quick move in the spec homes, they're going to be upgraded as well. I believe a lot of them are going to have the built-in cooktop. Okay. As well as the built-in like microwave, the oven. Okay. I love this. Look at all these windows right here. Have a nice meal with your family and just enjoy all that natural light coming in. Okay. Let's see if we could go outside. Oh, nice. Okay. So you got some room. Again, the backyard, the average lot square feet, you're going to have about 50. It's going to be 50 feet wide and then 100 feet deep. Okay. So 5,000 is going to be your lot square footage. Now, when you move in, again, all of this will be just that you're just going to have dirt here, and you'll typically be given about a year to landscape your backyard according to the HOA. Okay. And the way that process works is once you move into your house, you're going to submit what's called an ARC application with the HOA. So the ARC application, you're going to also submit the drawing of like your backyard, which you could have like your landscaper do, and the HOA just has to approve it. And yeah, you could start landscaping. So it's pretty smooth, it's pretty quick. They're not normally too strict. Okay. All right, let's check out upstairs. Okay. So this is what you see. As soon as you walk in, you're gonna have a bedroom over there, one bedroom right here, the loft immediately in front of you, primary bedroom. So with the Coronado, I believe it's a, they could pretty much opt for this loft to be a bedroom, but I think most of the quick move-ins are just gonna have this loft. As more and more people are loving the lofts. Okay, so right here, you're gonna have your full bath, your bedroom, and then this is gonna be your other guest bedroom. So let's check it out. This one's probably gonna be an 11 by 10. Okay. Nice, you have your own walk-in closet right here. Also, 9-foot ceilings on the second floor as well. So 9-foot ceilings on the first and the second floor. Okay. You also have this this window right here. This is like in the center of your home. Okay, you got the rounded corner edging. Nice, you have this bedroom right here. You're gonna have your own walk-in closet. Now this is a good size walk-in closet, as you can see. Okay. Full-size bed. So there's some good space right here. Now, if you're interested in a new build community such as this, and you plan on visiting the community by yourself, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. I'd be honored to help you out with the process. Or, I mean, if you're working with a realtor, make sure they go with you on your very first visit. You just don't want to go by yourself, okay? You don't want to go to a new build community and then give them your phone number, email, your name. Because once they have you in their system, they will let you be represented down the road. And the new build agents they look after the builder's best interest. But that's what we do for you. So we look after your best interests. Okay, so we negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. So it's very important to get yourself some representation. All right, so we got this, again, really spacious loft. And if you're curious to know the dimensions of any of these rooms, please let me know. I will find that out for you. Okay, so we got the laundry room. Okay, again, every house, laundry room, the washer and dryer, the refrigerator, the prices are gonna be included in the purchase price. Okay, smart panel box. So this is where your modem is going to be. So you're going to connect your router to the modem right here. Looks like we got your linen closet. Okay, nice, spacious, primary bedroom. So you got the primary bath in there. All the way down, you can see the walk-in closet. Now there's a couple of different structural bath upgrades here. So this is one of them. You're gonna have that spa shower, that walk-in shower, which is very popular. Okay, you got the dual sinks. Now guys, just know too, like if you're interested in a specific model, I know we're looking at the model home, so all the options are going to be picked out again. As far as like the colors go, which flooring, which cabinets, which countertops, you'll know what they are. Just, let me know if you're interested and I can find out what they have available. But for the most part, they're going to use very neutral. I feel like they're going to use very neutral colors. Okay. They're going to have a lot of white cabinets, very modern options. Okay, so you got your walk-in closet right here. All right, guys, that wraps it up for the Coronado floor plan. Let me know what you guys think about this floor plan in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, curious to know what the incentives are, or again, if you just need help with this process, I'd be honored, guys. Reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next video.